everybody, this is Nora with NAQ57, and I know it's been a while, but I'm home safe, thank God, and I hope you guys are as well. Today I have some very exciting news because H La Cosedora, it's about to launch a special bundle that is called Make a Wish. And again, guys, so yeah, let's all make a wish that this coronavirus goes away. It includes everything that you see here. There's 2 full-size stamping plates. These are her, if you remember, her acrylic stamping plates, and this adorable miniature plate. I just fell in love with it. The images themselves are, I guess you can consider them full size. And it could be maybe a little bit challenging holding that plate where you scrape it, but it works beautifully. Also included is the scraper and the adorable bracelet, the Make-A-Wish bracelet, which it has the instructions. What you do with the corded bracelet is tie this bracelet around your wrist, close your eyes, and make a wish. When the string starts to fray, you know your wish is on its way. Isn't that the cutest thing? So let me give you the details on the bundle and the launch. It will launch on April 8th at 3 o'clock in the afternoon, New York time. That's 3 o'clock in the afternoon, Eastern Standard Time. The price is $30, but you do not have to pay the full $30 because I will have a 10% discount for you guys. Look for that down in the description bar below. If I have it just in time before I finish editing this video, I'll include it down at the bottom of the video as well. It's free shipping, so this is international. You won't have the $30 will include shipping. Now you're going to see me, the rest of the video I will be doing the swatches of the plates so you guys can see how well they perform. And then at the end I will leave you with some photos of the designs that I did on my own nails with these plates, just to inspire you. If you guys have any questions, please leave them below and I'll be happy to answer. Remember that I will have all the links down in the description bar below, as well as my 10% discount code. I would like to thank H La Cosedora for sending me this beautiful package to play with and review. If you guys enjoyed my video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching. Stay safe.